In this video, I will show you how to pay with Klarna on Amazon. To do this, simply gonna open up the Klarna app on your phone and sign into your account. From there, what you want to gonna do is just go to the section here that says Klarna Everywhere and click on Learn More. And then here you can see with their secure one-time card, you can pay with Klarna at any store. Here just click on Create One-Time Card and then here search for Amazon. Then select it and you can then click on Continue to Amazon. From there you want to go and sign into your account. And now just go to your card and then click Proceed to Checkout. And now here just continue without Prime or with Prime, whatever you want to do. And now here at the bottom go and click on Pay with Klarna. And then click Create One-Time Card. Now here choose how much you want to spend, so to enter your card value automatically, then continue. And from there it has then created your card. And now here you can see you can pay in 30 days interest free. So now you can just click on Agree and Create Card. And from there it will then add that card as your payment method. And from there just go and place the order and you will then have paid with Klarna on Amazon. So now you know how to pay with Klarna on Amazon. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.